Welcome to Emotional Badass, where Moxie meets mindful. I'm Nikki Eisenhower, life coach and psychotherapist, and on today's episode, we are meditating. I hope you like what I have for you today. I'm pulling a few different techniques together. For some of you, what I have to say and share through meditation may be a way to tap into talking to your inner child. If you are a child or know a child who is struggling with bullying, this is a really good meditation. Now, when I think about kids getting bullied, I think they have to get dressed and get up and go to school each day. They have to be in the presence of people who bully them, physically and online. Adults, we have to do a lot of adult things that are scary, that don't contain the nicest vibes or the kindest people a lot of the time. This is a meditation for that. So wherever you are, I invite you to come and meditate with me. Maybe a seat on the floor or a seat in the chair or laying down, finding the space that you need today. Start to notice the breath. Eyes closed if they aren't already. Sense each breath as it naturally flows into the body and out. Continue breathing in and out. Slowing the breath, but instead of controlling the breath, just allowing the breath in and out. If you're stuffy, work with any form of in and out breath. Let go of any tension in the jaw. Let go of any tension in the shoulders. Tuck the chin down just slightly, letting the back of the neck be long. Notice the belly and soften the belly. Inhaling into a round, soft, big Buddha belly. Exhaling, the belly button creeping towards the spine. Inhale and let the body know it's okay to be soft and relaxed. Sometimes it's scary to face the world each day. There may be some difficult monsters that you face in your current life. Having monsters around can teach the body to be on guard and tense and scared and makes us tired. Right now, with no bullies around, no monsters, just the safety of space, my voice, and yourself. When it's safe, it's good to tell the body, I can be calm and easy in my muscles. I can be soft and gentle in my belly. I can take a deep, full breath. And I can exhale with ease and relief. There are awesome tools for monsters. Inhaling gently and exhaling gently. A tool for monsters sounds great. From now on, when I walk out into the world, I don't have to be so raw and exposed. I can imagine putting on strong, thick, medieval armor. I can be covered from head to toe in magical iron that feels comfy and soft and breathable, and on the outside is strong. This is a magic metal. Only good things can get through this metal. All genuine smiles can get through. Having this new tool means we can go out into the world with a new layer of safety. This magical medieval armor that covers us in head to toe whenever we need. Knowing about this new tool, this armor, this magical metal, we can go out into the world with more protection. Let's imagine putting on our armor. That armor feeling strong, giving us a sense of confidence. We now know that all mean words bounce off of the metal. They can't get to us. The coolest thing about this new armor is that no one else can see it. Only you and I know that you can wear this armor whenever you need. Imagine walking in your world where all the hurtful scariness that monsters can sling slides off like eggs out of a pan. I feel stronger in my armor. I feel a sense of easiness and lightness in my magical, light, easy, comfy armor. I can keep my head held high. And I walk with confidence everywhere I go. My armor helps my body know that it's okay to be me wherever I go. From inside of my armor, I know that the monsters out there aren't really monsters. Monsters are just people who are sad and scared and angry and hurting. They're making mistakes when they're hurtful. They just don't know it yet. From inside of my armor, I can remember that they are just people, and I am strong, and I am able to walk my life each day safe and protected, brave and strong. Feel how it feels in your belly to know that it's okay to feel safe. Feel how it feels in your heart space to know that you have a new tool that you can use at any time, simply by thinking, and now I put on my armor. Take a big heart breath into that. When I'm ready, I can open my eyes and come back to my day, back to my life, where I can use my magical armor whenever I need. It's very important that we let our bodies have time and space and permission to feel safe. That can be very difficult if you haven't felt a lot of safety and security, comfort, and soft place to fall. I know that when you start to practice this stuff, there can be a big part that comes up and says, I don't know how to do this. What's the point? And another part might say, it's smarter to just be scared all the time. Being scared all the time makes us sick. If you're in a very unsafe situation, I encourage you to find moments of safety and sit with the messages in this meditation. It gives your body, your mind, your heart a break and starts the process of giving it permission to be able to feel different. It's okay if it feels a little fake or a little phony or a little forced for a while. This is how change happens. Thank you for being listeners. Thank you for being our cheerleaders. Thank you, Patreon people, for being the backbone of the show and helping us stay commercial free. If this episode or any other moved you, if it helped you in any way, you truly are our marketing team. Chris has been working hard. You can find us so many places now and directly share. You can find us on Spotify, Google Podcasts app, Radio Public, Stitcher, and Pandora. Little reminder, we do not run advertisements on our show. However, some of the podcast providers do, like Spotify and Stitcher. So if you want to make sure you're getting an ad-free version of the show, make sure to subscribe in iTunes, the Google Podcasts app, or your own podcast player. Our RSS feed URL can be found on our website at emotionalbadass.com, and it's really easy to share from there. All of our episodes are on the website, and you can listen to them there or directly share from there. You are an emotional badass. I am an emotional badass, and together we are where Moxie meets mindful. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.